It's in the. Look in the. What's that? What's that? Look at those yellow boxes. What are those? Look at those yellow boxes on the. Look at Tony. The yellow. Look at the yellow. Right here.
What is?
It's a present.
It's a present yellow.
The yellow present. Merry Christmas, Tony.
Merry Christmas.
Open it, Tony. Open it. This is Tony. He's opening his first Christmas present.
Okay.
So keep going.
Okay, go on.
There's two presents, Tony.
Two presents. Yeah.
All right.
Daddy.
Open it. You can open it. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Tony, no. You come on. Open it.
Tell me about
Open it. Open it. Just open it. That's right. There you go. Okay, keep rolling it.
Okay, what's this?
Train car. Look at the other one.
This is the
Look at the other one, Tony.
Okay.
Hey, Tony, look at this one. Look at this one.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow. This is that toy.
What's that? Look at it.
This is this toy. It's a split toy, yeah? Yeah, it's a split toy.
Yeah, say Merry Christmas. All right. So what do you think, Tony? Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
So that's a black train.
Let's see, Daddy.
Yeah, we got batteries in. Very good. Okay. And so that's another car, train car. Okay.
What's this, Percy? Look at that, Percy. Look at that. Look at that, Percy. Look. Look at that. Look at that. And that is bullet toy. Okay. I want the Percy, Daddy. Yeah.
So.
Mama, look. Look, Percy, Daddy. Look, Percy.
What's that, Tony?
Daddy, it's a Percy.
All right.
Mama, this is a Percy, Mama.
Wow，你有没有说 thank you, Daddy？
Thank you, Daddy. 还有我的吗？
哦，好的。
我把这个open放的吗？
好的。
All right, Tony. So what do you say? So Merry Christmas, Tony.
Merry Christmas.
Give Daddy a kiss.
I was golden. Yeah.
What?
I was golden. I was golden.
Oh yeah. All right. Okay, give me a kiss. Thank you, buddy. Okay, I'll open it for you. Well, there you go. There's Tony opening his first ever Christmas present himself. Well, a little help from me, just a little. Okay.